First, open the Start menu and type View Network Connections, then click on it. Once this window opens, find your active network adapter, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Double-click your network adapter, then click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and click Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected, and also make sure Obtain DNS server address automatically is selected. Leave everything set to default. Click OK, then click OK again. Step 2. Next, open the Start menu again and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In Command Prompt, type ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now type netwinsock reset. Press Enter again. It may ask you to restart your computer. Don't restart yet. Step 3. Now open the web browser where you're seeing the error. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. I'm using Google Chrome, but the steps are similar in other browsers. Scroll down and click Reset Settings. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults, then click Reset Settings. Once all steps are completed, restart your computer. After rebooting, the unusual traffic error should be fixed, and that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.